Just picked up another Yankee Candle from the Amazon team. These come in so many different scents. This is one of my favourite. This is the cherry, but there are so many. You can get them for seasonal aromas as well. They also bring out frequently new ones. So just check the listing to see if you can find one that you like. I'm sure you will. These come in these really nice glass jars, really nice and sturdy with the glass lids, which you can obviously reuse these glass jars. I've got quite a few of them, which I repurpose for things around the house. It has that seal in it as well to keep the aroma nice and in. If you get one with another brand that doesn't have a very good seal in it, the scent does sort of leak in a sense. So you do lose some of that aroma. It's got a nice wick length on there and it is filled almost to the top. So you're going to get a full jar in there. The aroma is absolutely delicious. I have to say, one of my favourites, but you'll find something. I also like the seasonal Christmas ones. They're really lovely as well. I'll be getting some more of those shortly. It has a really good throw, in my opinion, and it doesn't have that acrid burning smell from the wick. They use a good quality wick as well. These are really great for gifting. So I tend to pick these up when I see them on Amazon on a special and just put them away for gifts. Teacher gifts, neighbours, Secret Santas. I forgot to buy someone a gift. These are absolutely perfect. Overall, if you're looking for a good quality candle, I really do recommend Yankee. They are absolutely fabulous. Yeah, I'm going to be putting this on now and having a lovely afternoon with my candle.